Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to use Upside with Uber step by step. So this is going to be a brief step-by-step process. So of course you need to be signed into your Uber driver app and you need to go online. After that, go find pit stops. So tap the coffee mug icon on the map screen to view available gas and food deals available near you. After that, just select a deal. So choose a specific pit stop to see if they offer any good deals that you might want, and then navigate to get the directions to the selected location. After that, you can claim the offer. Once you are in the location, you can select claim deal at the stop and then open and sign up for the Upside app. So again, you need to have not only just your Uber app for you as a driver, you need to also have the Upside app, and you need to have them linked together. So after that, you'll be able to get, if you drive around, you're probably going to get some deals you might want, some deals you might not want or might not be interested in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.